This problem gives us $1 million par value bond with 8% quarterly coupons. That is 2% of $1 million. It has a book value of $1.050 million after 1 year. And after 1.5 years, it's dropped slightly to $1.049 million. And we want the purchase price. We start by noting that the coupon of 2% of $1 million is $20,000. And we want to know what the quarterly yield rate of the bond is. We'll call that J. We'll take advantage of the fact that book values accumulate over time. So the book value at time 1.5 years is equal to the book value after 1 year if it had accumulated for 2 quarters at the rate J, and then subtracted off the value of 2 of the $20,000 coupons. Since we're provided the book values at time 1.5 and also at time 1, this formula simplifies so we only have one variable. And in fact, if we subtracted the left-hand side value over to the right-hand side, then we would have a quadratic formula that we would be able to solve fairly straightforward. Remember that the quadratic formula starts out with the opposite of b plus, and we use plus so that we get a positive answer, b squared minus 4 times a times the value of c. And in the denominator, we put 2 times a. Computing these values through tells us that 1 plus j is equal to 1.01875. In other words, the quarterly interest rate is 1.875%. We'll continue to use the idea that book values accumulate, noting that the book value after 1 year starts at the purchase price if it accumulates for 4 quarters, and then subtracts off $20,000 coupons 4 different times. Since we're told the book value after a year, and we already know what 1 plus j is, we can calculate what the S angle 4 is using the interest rate j, and with a little more work, find the final price of the bond.